Hey guys, Cody with Kevy Safety, and I'm sure you're probably wondering what's in this box. So let me show you. So this is a Kevy safety helmet, and this is what you're going to get in the box. It's going to come packaged so that it arrives to you undamaged. It's going to come with HHV patch, Sergeant Pecker patch. All right, so the last thing you're going to get in your helmet is this little card right here. It's going to have a QR code for the quick start guide, and then you're going to have some basic information on the shipping info, returns, and warranty. Okay, so what all do you get with this helmet? First off, the shell's made out of aramid fiber and aerospace carbon fiber underneath. So you got two different layers. Going from there, you're going to have the suspension system. You're going to have a nice pad right here for comfort, and plus you're going to have pads that are attached to the suspension system that are actually removable, so they're easy to clean. These pads are going to allow you to wear this helmet pretty much all day free of pain. Another thing about the suspension system is you're going to have a dial retention system. It's going to help you keep this helmet on whether you have the chin strap on or not. Speaking of the chin strap, one of the great things about this is it's got a magnetic fid lock system. So you're going to be able to take it on and off whether you're wearing gloves or not. It's just really simple and easy to use. Guarantee you're going to love that. Okay, so now let's talk about the outside of the helmet. It's going to come with M-LOK rails, a shroud, and then Velcro. The shroud's going to give you the ability to mount lights, action cams. As long as the light or the action camera comes with an NVG mount, you'll be able to mount it right here. And the NVG mounts are widely available pretty much anywhere you look. As far as the M-LOK rails, we decided to go with the Magpul M-LOK system because there's so many different accessories that you can get that you can mount on here, as long as you don't mind the weight. So, you know, you can have a side-mounted light. Eventually, we're going to have an Ear Pro system that's going to connect to this so that you can wear Ear Pro for those jobs that require ear protection. Okay, so one of the other things you're going to be able to mount on the M-LOK rails is our ballistic face shield. So any jobs where you need some protection for your eyes or your face, this is going to come in handy. And just so you see, there's a Nightcore flashlight that's mounted with a Picatinny adapter. So as long as you got a Picatinny adapter, you can pretty much mount almost anything to this. We're also giving you Velcro so that you can attach whatever kind of patches you want, whether you have certifications on those patches or they're just fun patches like our Sergeant Pecker here. If you needed added visibility, a little bit more safety, then you can throw one of those on. Maybe that way you're walking away from somebody, you got a vehicle coming behind you, they're going to be able to see you a little bit better. All right, so you're probably wondering what kind of classifications this helmet has. This is a Type 2 Class C helmet. So this helmet is a one-size-fits-most, and it weighs 1.38 pounds. Okay, so that leads us into the warranty. What is the warranty? You're going to get a lifetime warranty on hard goods, then you're going to get a 5-year warranty on your shell, and then you're going to get a 1-year warranty on your soft goods, so like your chin strap. One of the other types of warranties that we offer is the Battle Scars warranty. So if this helmet saves your life, we're obviously going to replace it for free. Now, when you get your helmet, if you notice there's any imperfections that you don't like or just whatever, if you want to return it, as long as you do that within 30 days, you're going to be good to go. Okay, so that's the Kevy Safety helmet. If you have any questions or comments, or if you want to follow the progress on this helmet or see more content based around our hard hat, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you're notified when we do post new content.